Good morning. Oh my god, I just realized I left my sunglasses. Anyways, welcome back to Voice Trap Antics. Okay, so the plan for today is I'm going to go meet Zoe and we're gonna take the Q train all the way up to Coney Island Beach. If you guys know, I don't really like beaches, but Zoe really wanted to go and the pool is not open, so the beach was the next best option. It's pretty hot today. It's gonna be like high 70s, not gonna reach the 80s, but yeah. We were going to go with Cherish and Viviana, but they both flaked. So now it's only me and Zoe today. But that's fine and we're still gonna enjoy it. Alright, see you then. Cue the intro.
Money that I don't accept.
I'm already here. Now I have to wait for Zoe. It's like 11:15 and we said 11:30 the latest, so 5 minutes. I made it by 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, but we're just waiting here now, so see when she gets here. It is 11:25. I've been here for 10 minutes. What the frick, Zoe? What the frick? So yeah. How did I get here before her, dude? This is literally her stop. Okay. Back with We finally made it. What time is it, Zoe?
12:40, bro. I think we're lost.
What do you mean?
Bro, it's not showing up. It doesn't say that we're on. Okay, hold on. Your location.
Well, of course it's not gonna get our location, but we're on the queue after Canal.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Okay. Anyways, hello people.
I'm scared.
Where are we? We're on, is this the Brooklyn Bridge? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
We're on the Brooklyn Bridge. And we're gonna have an amazing beach day.
For sure. This is gonna be an hour-long.
This is the first time Cherish is here.
Yeah.
I'm taking advantage of it.
For sure. Welcome back to 5 Minutes of Fame with Grace and Zoe.
I'm your new co-host.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, I was. No, wait, was
I think we were always co-hosts.
Yeah, we were always co-hosts, whatever.
Yeah, no, we're the hosts.
But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it.
Right.
We're gonna give you a little sneak peek.
A little sneak part.
A little sneak peek.
That's what I'm thinking of, uploading a bunch of our pictures as like an edit.
Oh, yeah. I brought my camera.
For sure. Cut off at Barclays Center, guys. We don't know.
I think we're on the wrong stop.
This is what happens when you put two people that don't know directions.
But bro, this shit says looking at
It's usually Cherish that tells us where to go. Okay, yeah.
Bro,
this is looking like exit only.
End, it's fucking express.
Yeah, this looks like exit only, Zoe. We might have to go back down.
This is some BS. This is some BS.
Alright. We're going back down the stairs.
So then where's the entry?
Damn, because this is a weekday, so the entrance going express, I guess. But I feel like if we waited at 42nd, it would have taken long.
Oh yeah,
because the queue came first.
Oh yeah. I kind of didn't want to wait for the train.
Word, I did not want to wait for the train either.
Impatient people getting lost? Yeah.
You know, we'll just entertain ourselves for 23 stops on the Q train.
Facts, we could do that.
Yeah.
We're entertainers.
For sure.
We go LaGuardia.
Yeah.
It's called fuck. Yeah. What's it called?
No, you were right. Improvisation.
Improvisation.
Yeah.
You improvise when you fuck up.
Okay. Wait, can we take the B to the end?
The B is, I think the B is longer. We can try
that's true, I think. I don't know. Alright, let's do this research. We'll see you when we figure something out. Bye-bye. every game we played, or we were in the train tracks.
I'm not fucking risking my life.
Don't try to start home, right? We don't even know when the train's coming either. Yeah, but there's like on 96, there's stairs going down.
Exactly, that's all wrong.
Like you don't have to pick yourself back up.
Yeah, that's
I don't have the upper body strength for that. Okay, this train station is so fucking pretty. We'll show you the beach when we get there. Guys,
it's very loud.
There's a lot of trains docked here. Are we walking the right way, Zoe?
Huh?
Are we walking the right way?
Yeah. The ocean is that way. And yeah, look, the ocean's that way.
Oh, God.
Can't see it, but I'm telling you, it's there. Long ass walk. Look at that. I don't want to show other people, but it's a long walk, okay? Like, it's a long ass walk to the beach. Just letting y'all know in case y'all want to go.
Okay.
They're here.
Okay, let me put my AirPods away. Oh, it looks like there's a lot of people here. So it seems like the beach might be active, because where else would you go?
Word. I saw like 2 people our age.
Yeah,
wait, no, this group is in front of us.
Oh God, oh God.
Oh look, in the recording. Oh, they kind of look ugly. On the back, all of them look ugly.
Bro, okay.
Not to be rude or anything.
We have to get a good spot, bro.
Oh, bye.
Get a really good spot. I don't want to be by like many people, but I kind of want to be by people.
I want to be near people, but not like weird people.
Like in our space.
Yeah, like our own.
Damn, we don't have a fucking speaker now. Like they better not be blasting music by us.
I'm gonna be so upset. I forgot my speaker at home like an idiot.
Yeah.
And now we're just gonna have to listen to the ocean. The ocean.
Castaway. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording because it's really loud.
Yeah, it is.
And I'll probably start recording while we're walking. Okay, bye! Oh yeah. We dead past people that we're doing that, yeah.
5.
Do you wanna?
3.
Are we gonna make it? This is actually really long. Yeah, let's wait. Yeah, oh God, there was police there. Oh, we could've came out here too.
Technically they can.
Stay walking. Yeah, so. Very nice, very clear day.
Very beautiful city.
Right. So there's a Ferris wheel over there.
I'm gonna put in the drain.
Alright. Oh, I didn't get the right angle.
Yeah, no, I was gonna put it in, but I was like, I'm not touching that cord.
Right. Get HIV on your toes. Or, yeah, I think that's the right one. It smells kind of good. Like baby oil.
Really? I smell like, well, yeah, I smell oil. Like,
yeah.
I'm like fucking thirsting for that seawater right now.
Oh God.
Like.
Hey guys, so we're on the boardwalk now.
Look at the nice stores that are overpriced.
It smells like sea. It smells actually really good. There's not a cloud in the sky.
Look at that.
Yeah, that one streak, but.
Look at that little island. What is that?
Right. Wait, it's so freaking pretty. Okay. Yeah. Oh, there's like a little beach set. So where do you want to set up, Zoe?
Okay. I'm thinking
Yeah, right there. I just looked right there. Oh, there's like a whole water thing right there. Okay.
why is that guy driving so slow? What the fuck?
I think it's backing up. Okay.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Right.
I kind of want to go roll in that.
I do too. There's like kind of little kids. Oh no.
Yeah. Oh, look, it goes all the way down there.
Maybe right there by that orange sign. A lot of people are on like the end of it.
We can come like up further up.
Okay, I'm gonna take off my shoes before we touch the fucking sand. Oh, I feel the water.
I know she's sweating.
Word.
Okay. My baby, you wanna hold it? Yes, I'll hold it.
Gracias.
Ready, and off we go to the beach.
Super warm. Oh yeah. This is it. Don't get on my sweatpants though. Need this. Period.
Oh, this feels so good.
It's like a little.
Oh, it's kind of hot.
Racing? Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, it's not hot today, not too hot today, but maybe we'll find some rocks, Zoe.
Bro, I told you, the last time I came, I found this really weird creature thing.
Oh, that's super cool. Okay. The sand's so nice. Like, oh, yeah. I think so. I hope I'm getting good vlog content. There's a seagull over there. Like right there, Zoe.
Okay.
We're gonna like sit up over here. Kind of far from the water. There's like,
oh, fuck, this is really hot.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay, right here is good.
Alright.
Why are there so many freaking tractor shits here? Not tractor.
Yeah, it kind of makes it tired.
Road tires. Okay.
Getting, alright. Let's set down the blanket. Oh, look at the. Oh god, it's so hot standing still. Right, maybe he'll start playing some good music.
I just realized I brought too much shit.
I also brought a lot of stuff. I didn't think I was gonna fit it all. My phone's on 19.
For every single time you have to pick up from the deck, you have to take.
Oh, okay.
That's good.
Wait, we're playing spit, right?
Yeah.
Pick up from the deck.
Like when you say BS, then it's actually BS.
Oh, we're playing bullshit.
Yeah. Wait, what are we playing?
I thought you were playing spit. You literally just said yeah.
Wait, how do you play spit?
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna stay above your fucking neck so it doesn't show anything.
I'm just gonna like quietly.
Yeah, I'm gonna tiptoe over
And
here.
hopefully no one broke, but we're fucking like 5'10".
Oh god, it's so freaking. Oh my god, phone. My phone hit 10%, but it's so freaking funny. I'll just. Oh my god, this is real life scary. So. This is so scary. It feels good.
There's like a lot of shells. Really cold, dude.
It really is cold.
No, I can't do this. I'll sit down. Oh, look at this shell. Tumbled glass, Grace. Not really.
Is it smooth? Well, there's a lot of shells actually. Bro, why is this water so... Okay, I regret bringing my phone.
There's like a lot of...
Why is it so loud?
Grace, can you swim?
Yeah, but I have my phone in my hand.
Oh, but you want to running to the back?
Alright. Alright guys,
Boys,
for
we
the
just
vlog.
came back from the ocean.
We might build a sand castle. We're also gonna do a drawing thingy. I'll put it right here. Okay.
Oh, that's so cute.
Thinking everything looks like a tooth here, but we found a lot of shells.
Yeah, it was very entertaining, bro.
So pretty. You'll get to see that when we get there somewhere. All right, adios. Wait, say goodbye, Zoe.
Adios.
All right, guys, we're leaving. We got a lovely call from Cherish. Yeah, it was amazing. 10 out of 10. Would do it again. I don't know. I think I had bad memories with the beach when I was younger.
You said that was your first time going in how long?
In a while, dude. Like,
Dang.
more than 5 years.
5 years. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gone. Anyways, are you satisfied with your new experience?
Yeah, for sure. Now I know what to bring and what not to bring.
Oh, facts.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're probably gonna get Dunkin' Donuts. Can't sponsor, sorry.
Oh, yeah. Then again, we're not sponsored.
Oh, facts. Adios.
They gave me this one. Oh. Yeah.
Whatever the biggest one is.
That imperfect one. Oh, yeah, Zoe also found this solution.
Bro, I found a lot of these.
Yeah.
really well.
Oh yeah, that one's really pretty. It has a lot of grooves in it. The little white ones, perfect canvas eyes. There's so many big ones. We also found this net on the beach, so that's a thing.
Here.
Okay, I was trying to grab it for the camera and I was like, where am I going?
There's sand in the bottom one.
Alright, these two cute ones.
This one, well, this looks like it's from an oyster.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Look at that. So
gorgeous. This one has a nice tint to it. So does this one too.
It's so
really pretty.
Hold on, well, that's not a seashell.
Might be the prettiest one yet. Oh, still got red one in there.
Oh, look at that sun.
Oh wow.
Sun getting in.
Period.
Okay.
Looks like a sun hat.
It really does. Okay, most of the little things are Grace's.
Yeah, the trinkets.
She's got all the little trinkets.
Oh yeah, those two rocks. Super cute. Here, Ian. This is that really shiny one. Oh yeah. She get hand models, right?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Bro, there's so many. Oh god, we took half of them.
Jelly.
Oh my god, that one's really pretty. Period. I can't tell if that's sea moss or what, but it's really pretty.
Yeah.
That rock.
Did we think that was poop at first?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that texture.
Oh yeah, that texture.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Offered by Mother Nature herself.
Okay, these are some of the really weird finds that Grace found. Ready?
Man, I lost my tooth, dude. I found a tooth. Okay.
We don't know what it is.
Yeah, we don't know what that is.
I'm gonna think about it. It kind of looks like a tampon.
Imagine. That's even better, but it's kind of really small.
Look at that.
Yeah.
You know what this is? Please let us know in the comments. And we have this weird rock. And then
Really dark.
This really cool shell.
Oh yeah. Kind of broken,
Yeah.
but that's what makes it unique. There was a bunch of fixed ones.
Cool. Show them this one. Okay,
Yeah,
so I
super
found
shiny.
this, and it was very, how you say, fragile. The sun.
Oh wow, look at that shine. Calcium.
Yeah, okay.
Period.
And then,
Oh yeah, the perfect one. Call it Mr. Perfect. That undercoat is nice. Clear white, full, non-broken. Well, there's just a lot of extras.
yeah, these are just extra cute things.
Yeah. Some broke, some not.
Bags.
That one rock.
Oh.
Wait, where's the green one?
Oh, where's the tumbled glass?
Remember that green rock that you said was navy blue? It's probably my purse. Hold on.
Oh, wait, did we drop it?
I hope not. Let's see if it's in Grace's purse. Guys, we indeed did not close out because one, my charger was broken, and two, I did not end up going to Zoe's house like I thought I was gonna go to her house. But if you liked today's vlog, there's gonna be another one next Thursday. That will be when we go to the Pride Parade on Sunday. And it'll probably be earlier because I'll probably get home earlier. And then another vlog after that. The next Thursday is the mini vlog we did this week. But as always, like, subscribe, comment, go follow our Instagram and our personal Instagrams, and don't forget that you are not our fans, you are our family, and we love you so much. Thanks guys. Bye.